Good day, brothers and sisters. Ako po si Brother Kokoy Javier ng Live Christ, Share Christ Publix. Ngayon po ay linggo ng Easter. And as you hear my message and as I record this message, we are still in the octave of Easter. Kaya naman sariwang-sariwa pa ang ginawa para sa atin ng ating Panginoon. At ano ito? Siya ay nagpakasakit, siya ay namatay sa krus, siya ay nabuhay na muli. At dahil sa kanyang pagkabuhay, tayo ay napatawad sa ating makasalanan at tayo ay naligtas mula sa kamatayan. Sabi nga niya, those who share in His passion and death will later share on His resurrection. And that is such good news, brothers and sisters, di ba? Wala nang mas mahalaga pang balita dyan na tayong lahat ay naligtas. Kaya ang balitang to ay patuloy nating ipapahayag sa iba. That's why our work in LCSC is very important. Why? Because we want to simply do initial proclamation to make every person know that truly Christ loves them, Christ has died for them, and Christ has saved them. Yan ang mabuting balita na ikinakalat natin sa lahat. And just today, brothers and sisters, alam niyo ba kung nakailang engagements na tayo from January up to this time? For this quarter alone, from January to March, we have done more than 300 engagements and we have reached more than 30,000 people. Imagine, sa maikling panahon, ang dami na nating naabot. And as you know, for G300, we are raising 300,000 pesos at least every month out of every donor. Pwede namang tao, pwedeng individual. So for those who have been contributing, maraming salamat po. Alam na alam ninyo ng inyong contribution, whether as a group or as an individual, of 1,000 pesos goes a long way. And if you average that, brothers and sisters, we are spending only 30 pesos per person. Dahil ganun na karami ang ating na-reach. That is such good investment. Bakit? Kasi sa halagang 30 pesos, titinudonate ninyo sa kada taong nare-reach namin ng mga misyonero ng Live Christ, Share Christ, sila ay nakakarinig ng mabuting balita. And this is also a good investment, not only to them, to those who receive God's message, but also for you who give. Why? Because you're able to contribute to God's work. We are continuing God's work of salvation. Totoo, na kumpleto na ang pagliligtas. Pero paano malalaman ng mga tao na sila ay maliligtas, na sila ay naligtas sa Panginoon kung hindi nila naririnig ang mabuting balita? Kaya magtulungan tayo. Kung hindi pa man kayo makapag-mission ngayon, let your money send more people on mission, that we may be able to reach out to thousands and thousands and hundreds of thousands and millions of people more. As we try to raise 300,000 every month, maliit na bagay lang yan, naniniwala ako. Bakit? Kasi mas malaki ang inyong mga puso. Mas malaki ang inyong pasasalamat sa Panginoon. So your 1,000 pesos will go a long way and will reach more souls. So thank you once again, brothers and sisters. We look forward to your continuous giving, and we want you to encourage, and I encourage more people to give, that truly God's message will be heard throughout the whole world. Thank you very much.